So what are we doing today, Karl?
I'm gonna fly some airplanes.
Yeah. Alright, so I haven't posted a video in a while, but we're out here at the park again with a whole bunch of junk. It's an airplane. And Karl's gonna wad up his new airplane that he's never flown yet. ZOHD. Hold on.
I got those Fatshark LZRs here with the cool directional antennas. They work pretty good. But then we also got these old Hobby King ones where they put the screen in there, the box face ones.
Yeah.
Made out of styrofoam.
Yeah, I'm gonna try these today. Karl
Try them
says,
out. They're
Karl
real
says
clear.
They're pretty clear. He says that those Hobby King guys are pretty much so better than the Fatsharks.
They know what they're doing. Go with the original.
Yeah.
And we got the Jumper T16.
You have all of like the bad stuff.
I know. I don't care.
Yeah.
I buy what's good. I don't care about some little glide test.
Chuck it, Karl. that is not going to tell you anything.
Getting stronger every day. Keep on pushing through the pain. Keep on running till we take. Ain't no mercy in this life. There's nowhere left to run away. No, there's nowhere left to run away. Run away, run away, run away, run Getting stronger every day. Do the bullets and the flames, but the fire's in your eyes, and there's no place left to hide. You got nowhere to run away. No, you got nowhere to run away. Run away, run away, run away, run away, run away, run away, run
This is crazy.
I know, isn't it?
It's like flying the Inspire. Like it's better than
It's
the
because
Inspire.
the Inspire has lag.
The
This
goggles.
has like no lag.
Yeah, I can see the focus mode now.
Mm-hmm. There's a guy golfing over there by the parking lot.
Really?
Just a head up. He's fine. I'm just letting you know.
Did I get near him?
Not really. Pretty sweet. Let's go. So what's your reaction, Matt? You're on camera.
Dude, I need these.
I know.
Sorry, Fatshark. I think I'm gonna have to get a new set of goggles.
Mm-hmm.
I don't even care. Like that's crazy. I can literally just. There's a bird.
Yeah,
right
go
here
up
on
go
the
up
ground.
high once. You can see like forever. You can like see details if there. I mean, I don't see any birds.
I don't want to kill your battery.
You're alright. I mean, you don't have to like.
Are you recording this flight?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, is the quad? I don't know if the quad's
I
recording.
feel like I'm so much higher. How high am I?
I don't know.
It's
That's the
like-
drawback. There's no good OSD yet.
Yeah, it's got,
You got
like
voltage and timer. The voltage with the arrow, that's your quad.
Yeah, it's got a heck of a fisheye though.
Yep.
It's like really weird. It would take a lot of getting used to like proximity this.
Yeah, you can
But
yeah.
I like it. I think it'd be worth crashing up my quad a couple times trying to get used to this, because this is just, I don't care what anybody says, this is awesome.
And that's the widest field of view in the goggles. It's like 50 degrees. You can narrow it up.
Oh,
if
so
you
you
want.
can narrow this up so
Yeah.
it wouldn't be, because it's like, it's really weird, because when I spin around, it's got like this probably normal 3D effect that you're just not used to with an analog camera. So you just can't see it.
Yep. You have to look around. You find your eyes not just looking in one spot.
Yeah,
Yep.
I feel a lot better.
It's like flying for the first time.
30
It's
minutes.
pretty sweet, huh?
Yeah.
You got that jumper T16.
I don't like the radio.
Well, yeah, you like small radios.
I don't like the radio. But the goggles?
Well, you don't have to worry about the radio, Matt, because the DJI radio is.
I know, right?
That's gonna be in this. That's gonna be in this next week.
Oh, man.
And we got the FR7.
I'm spending all my money, Karl.
Open source FR7. There it is.
That's crazy. Awesome. From Fatshark to the
Yeah.
rapid fire, this thing kicks a rapid fire.
It's not. That's
All
why
day.
you asked me. You texted me. I'm like, dude, that's not a question you ask. It's like someone say, "What's faster, my Camry with a turbo kit or a Lamborghini?" Like, well,
Well, we successfully brought all the stuff out and we didn't crash anything.
no.
Everything's in one piece, which is actually
Plane
probably a
was good.
first for us.
Maiden yeet. on
Yeah,
the
we
plane.
maidened a iNav plane, flew my iNav plane, flew a little bit of the Inspire, flew some mini quads, and I tried out the DJI system for the first time, which probably just made me $1,000 poorer.
Yep.
So,
You don't have to buy the remote.
yeah, but it's still $1,000 to get 2 air modules with it. It's all but 1,000.
Yeah.
But yeah, that'll be the end of this video. I also have another YouTube channel where I do astrophotography. I'll link that in the description. And that's what I've been doing. That's why this channel kind of died for a while. But I'm planning on bringing this one back. So stay tuned for that. See ya.
Yeah, man. Bye, everyone. Can't see. Oh no, he's not coming in for the landing. What's he doing? Sweet quad. Place Matt's head with it. Here it comes. Bring it in. Oh yeah. Can't see this on camera, but there it is. Yeah, he's gotta go for a nice walk. But it's beautiful. You just gotta walk a mile. Good job, Matt.
Thanks, Karl.